day today that actually felt good out there. Warmth again, sunshine. Now, it's been windy. Spring warmth and wind usually go together. Spring football. Well, it's not a bad night for it as we look out there at Kroger Field. That's our Kentucky One Health weather bug camera from Bluegrass Community Technical College there at the UK campus, right across the parking lot from Kroger Field. It is a nice night to be out and enjoy a little spring football. It's a windy day, not quite as bad as yesterday, but windy enough. Wind gusts 25 to 35 miles an hour. So tomorrow, we're on the warm side of the system. Rain and thunderstorms, some of those could be strong tomorrow, especially late in the day and tomorrow night. Heavy rain's a possibility as well, which leads us into Sunday. We're on the cool side of the storm. It'll be a colder, steadier rain for us on Sunday. Monday, we're on the really cold side of the storm. And we could spit out some snowflakes, so there you go. And a rarely used phrase, the warmest day since February. Well, back on February the 20th, we were 80 degrees. That, of course, was a record for the month of February. Today, we've made 81 so far, well above the normal. We're within spitting distance of the record. Probably fall a degree or two short when it's all said and done. But there's the warmth of yesterday and today and tomorrow. There's the chill coming Sunday that hits its bottom on Monday when we don't get out of the 40s. We do see a quick warm-up, though, middle of next week. And the reason why all this stuff's going on, look at the extremes going here. You've got a surge of warmth. Look at Charleston, West Virginia's 87. Pittsburgh's 83. The heat out here in the plains, but compare that to the cold that's sitting not far away. Where you see these temperature swings from Kansas City, 78. The other side, over there, Goodland, Kansas, is 33. So across the state of Kansas, it's a 40-degree swing, which leads to some really interesting stuff we've got for you in a second. Locally, our temperatures are hot. We are on the good side of the system right now. London, Monticello are at 80. Frankfort's 82. Flemingsburg's 81. It's 81 in Danville. It's 81 also in Lexington. What we're looking at on the MaxTrack Live Doppler is a pretty quiet scene. But you want to talk about a colorful map? Here we go. Blizzard warnings, winter storm watches and warnings. I mean, this is going to be a big-time stuff. And all those little polygons you see are very severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings. What's really, really interesting, and this is what a true blizzard does, how you go from blizzard warnings to tornado watches over the space of 60 miles. That's it. There are severe thunderstorms right now in Iowa. There was a tornado warning there earlier, and there are blizzard warnings up. So here are the thunderstorms. There's a gap in between. Then you get the snow back here. You see the curl right there. What's happening is a jet stream is roaring into this. This is a big-time system. The thunderstorms extend all the way down to Texas, and that leads to tomorrow, where the slight risk of storms is close to us. Up here in Illinois and Indiana, down in Tennessee, we're sort of splitting the difference. Don't be surprised if tomorrow that whole thing kind of gets filled in, but I think our severe thunderstorm risk is fairly small at this point. What we're looking at, though, is the rain potential. There's going to be a swath of some really heavy rain. Right now, it may set up just to our west, but we will keep a very close eye on that. For tonight, increasing clouds, breezy and warm, 60. Rain arrives tomorrow. A little bit of sunshine, clouds are around. Now, rain and thunderstorms, some of those may be strong. Another windy day, we're in the mid-70s. Colder rain on Sunday with highs in the upper 50s. Monday, we're in the mid-40s. But a quick warm-up Tuesday and Wednesday.
Be interesting to see how the passing game shapes up tonight at Commonwealth.
Much better going with south to north than the other way.
Run the ball and throw a few short darts, huh? Thank you, Bill.